All right, so this presentation is called, so you made a DevOps tutorial, now what? So we're gonna be talking about a couple techniques that once you make your tutorial, how do you get it up onto YouTube in terms of like finding, just in terms of people finding out about it. There are a lot of techniques, so we're gonna be going through just a few of them. So a little bit about me, my name is Walt Ribeiro. I am the Senior Developer Advocate at Equinix. We're a data center company. I joined YouTube in 2007, so I'm one of like the OG people. I worked at YouTube Space Los Angeles in Playa Vista, and I'm now working at Equinix. Oh, there's a monitor here. Okay, so do we need more DevOps tutorials? And the answer is yes. But before you make it, you have to think, what is your unique angle for that video? Who is my back-end audience that I'm trying to talk to, and then what problems do I solve? So when I was at Equinix, I was thinking to myself, okay, look at these thumbnails. What is wrong with them, and how can we tell a better story with this? For one, those fonts were too small, the colors were off, the titles were bad. So let's take a quick example. What is virtualized networking can also be called how to connect 200 Cisco servers or 200 Cisco switchers in 60 seconds. Same video, but you're seeing it from a different angle. I would watch that video. All right, so what's interesting? So when I was at Equinix, well, I'm still there, but we have these like submarine cables. They're basically just like, they are basically fiber optic cables that are running underneath the ocean, connecting London to Paris to Los Angeles. So I'm thinking, okay, let's do a video about that, but let's find an interesting angle using numbers. So this video could be called something like the 500 cables that connect the internet. Okay, that's pretty cool. So with this, don't be boring. What's wrong with this? This is an auto-generated thumbnail. It's really boring. The fonts are too small, so it looks really bad on mobile. The colors are poor. The upload time, it was uploaded at like 2 o'clock in the morning. It's like, really bad. So now we're A/B testing different thumbnails. For one, if you're in the ocean, that's me scuba diving over there. That's not really me. It's just a Photoshopped picture. But just like have fun with it. Maybe something minimalistic like that might work. Something that's a little bit more like inviting for the people to find out about it. On the left side of your analytics, you click on videos, and then in here is your analytics tab. Right here is the watch time algorithm. That's the most heaviest weighted thing on YouTube of how it weights your video. That's the duration of how long people watch your video. This is a normal scale of when people leave or stay within your video. So go to that metric and then find out when are you getting bumps and dips within that video and find out what's wrong with it, and then just fine-tuning that one specific thing. So I'm constantly A/Bing trends of like what's happening within the first 1,000 views of the video. Here I took out the numbers just so I can A/B test how effective are those numbers within that video. Within the video also, once you upload it, you can put chapters in the video. They're basically just time codes that hyperlink the exact time frame within the video. Put chapters in your video. If you don't want to do it manually, you don't have to. You have two options. You can go to instantchapters.com. It's like $9 a month. Or you can use Bardeen. It's a free Chrome extension that uses ChatGPT that just watches your subtitles SRT files, and then it can throw chapters into your video within a few seconds. And then within that video description, you can hold up to 5,000 characters within your video. So fill up that chapter or fill up those video descriptions with as much metadata as possible. You want to tell the bot as much rich data as possible because it can't see within your video. Also, put calls to actions in as many places as possible. In your email signature, on your banner, when you're leaving comments, and then going back to the comments, there's a comments tab within your YouTube algorithm or within the YouTube backend. If you click on comments, you'll see all the comments there. Boom, 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 boom. Just answer them all within the first 5 minutes of your day, and then you're in pretty good shape. If you want to know, in short, what this looks like, it looks exactly like a DevOps cycle. You're basically uploading the video, refining it, seeing what works, going back, reshooting it, coming back again, and then you're doing this back and forth, and you're just getting better every day, 1% better every day. So what did we learn? 3 things. Post often, find a unique angle, A/B test what works, and then be patient because YouTube channels take a long time to build, and never make fun of someone with 2 subscribers because you don't know who those 2 subscribers are. One could be your coworker, but then the other one could be Bill Gates or something. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for your time, and that's it.